everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be heading up to Street Legal Dragway up in beautiful sunny Perris, California, where we're going to be testing out their 330-foot drag strip, newly opened here in Southern California. So we'll be looking forward to that and testing out our new Stage 2 TCU tune from 034 Motorsport that we just installed. We're going to be working on just getting some 0 to 60 times and getting some baselines on the 330. As well as taking a look at our 60-foot times and all that other good stuff. Should be pretty good. It is a no-prep surface, so obviously the all-wheel drive cars should hook up pretty good. It's going to be fun. It's just a test and tune, nothing too serious. So anyways, just jump in the ride, head on up there, and have some fun.
So here we are getting staged and ready for the first run of the day, and I ran against this Tesla Plaid here in front of me. It was a very close race. I got him off the line, but he ended up getting me right at the finish. And, you know, with 1,000 horsepower, it's not surprising that he beat me. And unfortunately, my GoPro got corrupted memory card, so I lost the majority of the in-car footage, so I apologize. Here we are lining against an old school truck. He's definitely cammed and sounded really beefy. Rear-wheel drive versus all-wheel drive. Here we go. Pretty easy match for the RS5 on this one. Shout out to my wife and daughter for catching some of the cool camera shots from the bleachers. Appreciate you, ladies. Some sweet American muscle at this event, that's for sure. It was almost like an imports versus domestic kind of event. Although it wasn't, but it kind of felt like it. So here I am lining up against an old school Mustang. Beautiful vehicle. Gotta love that classic American muscle. I got him out the light and just pretty much ran away with it. Junior dragsters were out today. These cars are super cool. Shout out to those kids. Hopefully we get to see them in the NHRA someday. Really cool old school dragster. Here I'm lined up against an Audi S4. He's tuned on E85. This was the only run that I was able to beat him in.
So on that last run against the S4, unfortunately something happened with the tree and we both overheated our launch control systems, so that was garbage. So anyways, we're lining back up again. We're going to give it another run. We'll see how we go.
And yeah, he did beat me in the subsequent 2 runs. Here we are up against a Mustang 5.0. Got him at the light. Made pretty easy work of him in that run too. This was pretty cool. We had a blown Camaro and a side-by-side that was fully built. Not sure what's up with the random background music these guys were playing during the event. Side-by-side got him off the line, and Camaro shut it down early. Here we go, testing out the Stage 1 TCU versus the Stage 2 TCU, so you guys can see the comparison.
30. 60.
1/10 of a second. Just as advertised.
All right, guys, we're back at the garage. That was a lot of fun. Had a good time up there, met a lot of really cool people. I just wanted to say a quick shout out to my friend Gabriel. Appreciate meeting you, man, and thanks a lot for inviting me to the race club. Looking forward to doing a whole lot more events with you guys in the near future. He has a modded S4, he's on E85 as well, and that car is quick. I think I might have maybe one race against him. We ran 3 times. He got me off the line. I think the second and third time, I think I got him on the first one, but that's when our launch control failed. So that was crap, but you know what? That wasn't our fault. That was totally due to an issue they were having with the lighting system. So the best time slip from the day, we had a terrible reaction time of 0.34, 1.76 to the 60, 4.8 ET at 87.1 miles an hour. And once again, that is a 330-foot strip. So that's our baseline, so that's what we're going to be trying to beat from now on. So as you guys saw in the Dragy videos, the Stage 2 TCU tune definitely improved our 0 to 60 times. So is it worth it? Yeah, I think it's definitely worth it. You can feel the shifts a lot firmer with the Stage 2 tune in there. It is a little bit aggressive while the car is still warming up if you get on the acceleration hard early, but once the car is warmed up, under normal driving conditions, it feels completely normal. So again, Stage 2 TCU, definitely worth the upgrade. If you're considering doing it, do it. It makes a difference. Next up on our list of mods for the RS5, we've got the high pressure fuel pump coming, front and rear sway bars, 034 motorsport springs. We're also going to be doing some more exhaust modifications as well. So like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be installing a high pressure fuel pump into the RS5. So it's going to give us about another 40 or so more horsepower and another 60 foot-pounds of torque. So we'll have over 600 foot-pounds of torque once we get that high-pressure fuel pump in, and that's absolutely going to help us get off the line a whole lot faster, so we'll be looking forward to that. So look forward to that, you guys. It's going to be a lot of fun. Going to be doing some road racing here in the near future. Going to be doing more drag racing as well. Stay tuned for that. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. We'll have a lot more Audi content coming soon. I've got a few other friends who've got modded Audis, and we'll be doing a bunch of racing together, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Thanks again for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And once again, go over to 034 Motorsports. Check out their website. They are a partner of ours, so thanks again to them for helping us out. Appreciate you. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Speedcraft Garage.